I just found this amazing channel. The concept is incredibly simple, cute animals playing music, yet almost every video goes viral, and the channel is growing at an impressive speed. The most interesting part is that these videos are created using a 100% AI workflow. No complicated editing, no expensive equipment, and no advanced skills are required. The entire process is simple, beginner-friendly, and easy to follow. What makes this niche so powerful is its universal appeal. People love cute animals, and when you combine them with entertaining music, the content becomes highly engaging and shareable. That's why these videos can attract millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. And the best part? This niche is still relatively untapped, which means there is a huge opportunity for new creators to enter the space and build a viral channel quickly. Let's jump into ChatGPT, which is the first step. I've already prepared the prompt for you, and it's available in the description below. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate an amazing cinematic animal music video prompt for you. Everything is clearly structured, including the characters, environments, camera angles, visual style, animation details, scene progression, and music vibes. The prompt is designed to create a complete animal musician adventure with professional storytelling and stunning visuals. You don't need to spend hours brainstorming ideas or writing complicated prompts. Just copy, paste, and let ChatGPT do the work for you. Within seconds, you'll get a detailed, production-ready prompt that can be used to create high-quality viral animal music videos. The best part is that every scene is unique, featuring different animals, different locations, and different musical moods, while maintaining a consistent visual style throughout the entire video. This makes the final result feel like a professional animated music journey rather than a collection of random clips. And because the prompt is highly detailed, AI video generators can better understand exactly what you want, resulting in more cinematic shots, smoother animations, better character consistency, and a much more engaging viewing experience for your audience. Now let's move on to the magic website Easemate AI. And yes, I call it magic for a reason. The biggest advantage of this platform is that everything you need is available in one place. You don't have to jump between multiple AI tools or websites to complete your workflow. Whether you need AI chat, AI writing, document assistance, image generation, or video creation, everything is integrated into a single platform. It also provides access to powerful GPT models for content creation and advanced video generation models like Cadence, making the entire process much faster and more convenient. Instead of creating images on one website, generating videos on another, and writing scripts somewhere else, you can handle everything inside Easemate AI. This saves a huge amount of time and makes the workflow extremely beginner-friendly. Even if you're new to AI content creation, the platform simplifies the process so you can focus on creating amazing content rather than managing multiple tools. Honestly, it's like having an entire AI toolkit packed into one website. First, we'll start with AI image generation. Click on the text-to-image option. Once you're there, simply paste the prompt that we generated earlier. You'll notice that there are many image models available, but for this tutorial, we're going to use the latest GPT image model because the results are absolutely amazing. I know a lot of people have been asking for newer and better image models, and this one definitely delivers. Just select the 4K quality option and click Generate. The results are incredibly impressive. The model follows the prompt very accurately and creates stunning images with excellent composition, multiple camera angles, beautiful lighting, and highly detailed characters. The quality is surprisingly good, especially for cinematic animal scenes like the ones we're creating. One thing I really like is that you don't have to wait for a single image and then start over. You can simply copy and paste all of your prompts one by one and generate multiple images efficiently. This makes the workflow much faster and smoother. I also tested some of the other popular models available on the platform, including Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. Honestly, their results are also very impressive. The image quality, character details, colors, backgrounds, and overall consistency are excellent across all of these models. However, the GPT image model stood out to me the most. The images look incredibly clean and professional, with sharp details, vibrant colors, beautiful backgrounds, and a polished cinematic style. Every image feels premium and visually appealing, and at this point, all I can say is, it's an absolute boom. The quality is seriously impressive. Whether you choose GPT Image, Nano Banana, or Nano Banana Pro, you're going to get high-quality results. So don't worry too much about the model selection. Feel free to experiment with different options and see which one matches your style best. But if you ask me, the GPT image model is definitely one of the strongest choices available right now. So, the images are ready. Now it's time for the magic part, creating the videos. Head over to the AI video section and click on Image to Video. Here you'll find a variety of powerful video models, including Kling, Seedance, One AI, VO3, and many more. For this tutorial, I decided to use the latest Seedance 2.0 model because it delivers incredible results and can generate high-quality videos for almost any scenario. Simply select the model, upload your image, and then paste the same prompt we generated earlier with ChatGPT. I copied the complete prompt, including the music style, mood, camera movements, and animation instructions, and pasted it directly into the video generator. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio, video quality, and duration. Don't forget to enable the Generate Audio option to create matching music automatically. Once everything is set up, click Generate. The generation process took only a couple of minutes, and when I saw the final result, honestly, I was shocked. The video quality, animation, music synchronization, visual style, camera movements, opening sequence, and ending scenes all came together beautifully. Everything looked incredibly professional. Of course, I didn't stop there. I uploaded another image, selected the model again, and generated another video. This time I tested the Seedance 2.0 Fast model. Surprisingly, the results were also extremely impressive. The generation was faster while still maintaining excellent quality. To make sure the results were consistent, I tested multiple Seedance models, and every single one delivered strong results. The animations were smooth, the character movements felt natural, the music matched the scenes perfectly, and the overall quality exceeded my expectations. This is exactly why I like platforms that bring everything together in one place. You can generate images with the latest models, create videos with advanced AI video models, generate audio, and complete your entire workflow without constantly switching between different websites. Now all that's left is to repeat the same process for the rest of your images. Upload each image one by one, generate the videos, and watch the results come to life. Each scene looks unique, each animal has its own personality, and the final collection feels like a complete animated music adventure. Go ahead and check out each generated video one by one. I think you'll be genuinely surprised by how good they look. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.